Welcome and thank you for watching. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get your address to any other platform to go and withdraw to your Binance account. Okay, so let's take for instance you want to withdraw from bep20, and then before you can withdraw you need to have the USDt bep20 address. Okay, the network we are deploying on is bep20. That is the Binance Smart Chain network. Okay, so Binance Smart Chain network doesn't necessarily mean you need to have Binance account. No, you can have BSC, that is Binance Smart Chain address, that is the network address in Bybit and some of other exchanges that we have. So in that case you just click on assets. Okay, you click on assets over here, and then you click on either USDT or add fund. Okay, so let's go by the add fund method. So you click on add fund, and then you click on chain deposit. Okay, so you click on chain deposit, and then you click on your USDT because we want to deposit USDT over here. So you click on USDT, and then it will tell you to choose the network. Okay, so here you have to choose the Binance Smart Chain network, that's the BSC. Okay, some sites can tell you to withdraw USDT on the Tron network. All right, so on the Tron network you have to choose this one over here. Okay, that is the Tron network. Binance, the USDT bep20 address is different from USDT Tron network address. All right, they are all different. Okay, so this one we are copying USDT bep20. So you click on the bep20 here, so you could see that you have your USDT, says deposit USDT, and what is the network we are deploying on? BSC, that is the Binance Smart Chain network. And when you see this, you just come and then click on the copy sign over here. All right, then you click on the copy sign, and then you copy it, and then you now move to whatever bit token, and then you go and then paste that address on the withdrawal page. Okay, so with that, any other site that tells you to withdraw USDT using a Binance Smart Chain network, that is the procedure you need to go through to get your address, and then you copy it, and then you send it to the site to go and then withdraw. Okay, thank you.